Ticket 10, and today I'm going to be showcasing something that I've made. It's a game. Yep, I actually made a game. It's called Science because it's about science, and it's made in Python. One problem though is that I am dumb, and so I don't know how to use Pygame. So the game is completely made of text because I'm stuck to using print commands and these input things that ask you something, and you put in an input, and it sets that value to a variable. So hopefully you won't destroy me for the game having no visuals. But yeah. So I'm gonna showcase a few things that it can do, and yeah, that's just gonna be our video. So firstly, um, the game is pretty much just made of asking you a few questions, and it provides a result based on the answer to those questions. So let's show a few of them. So first you have to put in an element. So I'm gonna do hydrogen. I always start with this one to just have it as a starter kind of thing. And all element names need to begin with a capitalized letter. I know it's tedious, so I'll change it in the next version of the game, but I'll have to deal with it for now if you actually want to play the game. Oh, that's strange. Anyway, let's try that again. Hydrogen. Alright, next what do I want to do with hydrogen? I want to bond it. So all actions need to be made of completely lowercase letters. Press enter. Next, what do I want to bond with hydrogen? I'm going to do oxygen. Create a water or H2O. Next, you can do the next one. So next we're gonna showcase magnesium, and you can burn it. This is the only element that's compatible with the burn function. And wow, the magnesium went up in a bright white flame. So that's good. Next, I'll just showcase another bond one. So let's run this. You have carbon, hydrogen. Oh, forgot to bond. Whoopsies. Let's try that again. Carbon, bond, hydrogen, and go enter. You create CH4. Now I think now's a good time to bring up some future plans I have for this. So for the bonding action, I'm going to think of having different quantities of elements. Because carbon and hydrogen, when you put it together, you can also get things like crude oil, not just methane. I just chose methane. I also want to add a few other actions, like an isotope action, so you can create deuterium and tritium. You can use those isotopes to create other compounds, like deuterium oxide / heavy water. So yeah, I've got quite a few ideas for this, and I think it will be a fun project to work on. But in its current state, this singular file is the entire game. I will make it multi-file just to make it easier to understand eventually. But for now, it's just the single file contains all the code. It's got a few comments to help understand. If you can understand Python, it should be fine. But just in case. So yeah, you can download it from my h.io page, qtiger10.h.io/science, and yeah, you can just download it. You can go to a website to do it, like Online Python, and then just copy and paste the code, something like that, and then it'll run just like that. And then you can just do it on here. So hydrogen, carbon. Oh, well, that's screwed up. Oh well. But yeah, point still stands. Here's a list of all the combinations you could do. Um, and yeah, I hope you'll enjoy this game. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.